Okay, look, we're gonna go over the ingredients. As you can see, that's Creole mustard. You got mayonnaise, and then again, just pointing the arrow, just showing you the mustard. Okay, now you got your Creole Cajun seasoning. Listen, that's that sweet smoky Joe's, that Creole Kick. That's my weapon of choice right there. Hey, listen, I don't want to over talk it. You guys, if you get a chance, get you some. I put his website up, and you know what? Do yourself a favor, try it. That's what sends it over the edge. And of course, we got bacon. There are other ingredients in there. I put them on the screen so you guys can see. And as always, all of the ingredients will be down in the description box below. Now, we want to boil our eggs. It depends on how you want to do them. I boil mine for 12 minutes. After they boil, I take them and I run them under the cold water. Get rid of that hot water, and I just let them sit up until it's time to peel them. Now, right here, listen, we're making bacon. The reason I'm showing this bacon right here, because I just want to show you, you know what? I flip it. This is how I make bacon on a regular right here. You know what I mean? I didn't put no grease in there and no nothing. You know what? I use the fat from the bacon, and that just, that's what I use to keep it from sticking or whatever. Look, just keep flipping it back and forth on medium-high heat, and that's what you come up with. You don't want it to get too crispy. A lot of people, they want to know why did theirs come out crispy. You want to take it. See how it's still a little flimsy? That's what you want to do. Take it out like that. Put it on a plate lined with a paper towel. And then that bacon fat that was in there, guess what, y'all? We're going to drop that, the shrimp in there that's already been peeled and deveined. And then we're going to sprinkle some of that Creole Kick over on top of it. And there you have it. You know what? Then we're going to cook it. Now, you guys know when you're cooking shrimp, you want to make sure you don't overcook it because it'll be rubbery. And you see how tightly they curl up? That's a sign that they're done. You want to go about, on medium-high heat, you want to go about 1 or 2 minutes, between 1 and 2 minutes on each side. Now, that arrow right there is just showing you how I broke up the bacon, into like bacon bits. That's really all set up, for the presentation at the end. Now, you can do it two ways. You can add your bacon in there with your shrimp, or you can, decorate it at the end. I'm big on presentation, so, that was just me. That was just the way I did it this time. Now, look, cut your eggs in half, as you just saw, and go ahead and just pop out the yolk. Add that to your bowl, along with your shrimp. And again, I'm going to cover this part again. The bacon that you see, you can add it in here now, or you can add it later. I chose to do it the latter. All right, so now we just go ahead and put our mayonnaise and our Creole mustard. And then after that, we're going to hit it with the seasoning. And then we're going to sprinkle that in there, and then we're going to mix it up. Now, once you got everything, mixed up and it's mixed, thoroughly, go ahead and get yourself a Ziploc bag. That's a gallon freezer bag, but if you look at the corners right there, you can see that that's not a true corner. So what I did was I actually had to take it out of that and put it in a Ziploc sandwich bag. And you're going to see right here, look, see that corner? I just cut it off. You just want to cut it small, just enough so that when you squeeze it, you can squeeze your filling into your halves, your egg halves. That right there is just like super simple. That's a pro tip. Keeps your hands nice and clean. Now, once you're done, filling all your halves, it's time to go ahead and some of that shrimp that you had left over. And that's about all that I had left over because I was just like eating so many pieces. You know what I mean? You're talking about that Creole Kick, that flavor and that bacon flavor on that shrimp was just out of sight. Go ahead now and just get your, get your setup right. This right here is all about your own presentation. You didn't see right here, but I went ahead and chopped up some fresh parsley. I hit some parsley on there, and then I sprinkled some paprika on there, just to keep it, sort of traditional. But there you go. Creole shrimp, deviled eggs with